Space-enabled situational awareness, precision targeting, and seamless communication have transformed Indian defense strategy. The synergy between ISRO's space assets and India's military command illustrated a new era of space warfare integration. Eyes in the sky. How ISRO satellites supercharged India's Operation Sindoor. India's military prowess has taken a significant leap in the 21st century, largely due to its integration of indigenous space-based assets developed by the Indian Space Research Organization. Operation Sindoor, a recent large-scale and complex military initiative, stands as a testament to how space-enabled situational awareness, precision targeting, and seamless communication have transformed Indian defense strategy. In this context, a fleet of ISRO-developed satellites including Cartosat, GSAT-7 and 7A, NAVIC, RISAT, GISAT, EMISAT, and the Microsat series played pivotal roles, collectively acting as silent force multipliers from orbit. At the core of Operation Sindoor's strategic planning and real-time intelligence was the Cartosat series, India's high-resolution Earth observation satellite. These satellites provided crucial optical imagery of terrain, enemy installation, and movement patterns along hostile or sensitive zones. Cartosat's sub-meter resolution enabled Indian commanders to plan precision strikes and avoid civilian collateral damage by identifying structures with extreme clarity. In a multi-front scenario like Sindoor, Cartosat was indispensable for tracking changes in the battlefield and validating strike outcomes in near real time. Supporting this visual intelligence was RISAT, radar imaging satellite, which offered all-weather day and night surveillance capability through a synthetic aperture radar. When cloud cover or darkness rendered optical satellite ineffective, RISAT stepped in, enabling uninterrupted monitoring of enemy troop movements, artillery placements, and infiltration routes. This radar-based imaging was particularly useful in forested and mountainous regions, key theaters during Operation Sindoor. Enhancing the aerial view further was GSAT, that is Geo-Imaging Satellite, stationed in geostationary orbit. Unlike other remote sensing satellites that revisit an area periodically, GSAT continuously monitored large swaths of the Indian subcontinent and adjoining areas. This persistent surveillance proved critical in tracking long-duration movements, logistics chains, and patterns of enemy behavior, helping commanders anticipate and counter threats with foresight rather than just reaction. Space-based electronic warfare support was delivered by EMISAT, a dedicated electronic intelligence ELINT satellite developed jointly by ISRO and DRDO. EMISAT's job during Operation Sindoor was to intercept and geolocate enemy radar and communication signals. By mapping these electronic signatures, Indian forces could neutralize air defense systems or jam enemy communications selectively, key enablers in any high-intensity cross-border engagement. GSAT-7 and GSAT-7A, India's dedicated military communications satellites, formed the secure backbone of Operation Sindoor's network-centric warfare architecture. GSAT-7 empowered naval operations by linking warships, submarines, and maritime reconnaissance aircraft, while GSAT-7A served the Indian Air Force and Army aviation units. Together, they ensured seamless command and control integration across the tri-services, enabling joint strikes, synchronized movements, and responsive decision-making without signal disruption or exposure to electronic warfare. Equally vital was NAVIC, that is navigation with Indian constellation. India's indigenous GPS alternative. NAVIC not only provided Indian forces with accurate location-based services without reliance on foreign system, but it also supported the targeting of precision-guided munitions and the navigation of troops and UAVs in difficult terrain. During Operation Sindoor, NAVIC was essential for airstrikes, missile guidance, and troop deployment accuracy, even in GPS-denied environments. The Microsat series, functioning as agile orbital drones, offered tactical reconnaissance and battle damage assessment. These small satellites, launched on demand, allowed ISRO to plug surveillance gaps rapidly and provide on-fly imaging of new or evolving targets. Their maneuverability and flexibility allowed Indian commanders to request real-time imagery tailored to their specific sector of operation, enhancing the tactical edge on the ground. Together, this constellation of satellites formed a cohesive surveillance, communication, and reconnaissance shield that empowered Operation Sindoor from orbit. The synergy between ISRO's space assets and India's military command illustrated a new area of space warfare integration, where space is no longer just a domain of passive observation, but a full-spectrum enabler of kinetic operation. As India prepares for future conflicts in an increasingly contested neighborhood, the Operation Sindoor blueprint, powered by indigenous satellite intelligence, proves that strategic autonomy in space not just desirable but essential for decisive victory. This was it for today. For more such videos, stay tuned to Uday India.